What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I also welcome you back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you this new launch OTP SMS script. So I think I have two videos on how you can be able to create and for this kind of website. So, but this script is a new script. So without wasting much of your time, so let me just dive in into the user section. So I just want to be showing you the feature of the script. So you just need to come to this section and log in. So this is just the user section. Then we log into our dashboard. So once you log into your dashboard, this is how it's going to look like. So this is your dashboard. So now this script, I have two savers here. Okay, you can see I have three savers here. Saver 1, Saver 2, and Saver 3. So now let me just briefly explain some things in this script. If you want this script and you have a specific API that you want to integrate, you can message me with the API. I'm going to do that for you. But if you need this script with the integrated API that is in it, fine. And I'm also going to be giving a discount to those that will be using this script and my API. I've already integrated my API on this script. So I just need to do, you just need to come to our platform via SMS and register, create your account and fund your account. Then you get your API key. Once you get your API key, then you are good to go. So now, and you can see that we have Saver 1, Saver 2, Saver 3. And also, if you want a rent future, like let me say you want where a future that users can be able to be renting a number or a services there, or they can rent US for a specific service, or they can rent a number and use that number to receive an OTP for any type of website. I can also do that for you, but that will be integrated on my own API. So you'll be using my API for that particular service. But if you have the API that you want to use, you can just message me with the API, and I'm going to be doing that for you and fully customize your scripts to your test. So now, this is the script when you log in. Let me just inspect this so that you can just see how it looks, and you can see how responsive it is. Hope you can see how responsive the script is. This is how responsive it is. Hope you can see it. You can see how responsive it is. So this is how it's going to look on mobile, and this is how it's going to look on desktop or your tab whatsoever. Now this is now the full screen. So now this section is the buy section, which is the server one section. And if you want this script, make sure that you message me so that I'm just going to be telling you all the APIs that are in this script. So this is the first script. The first let me say the first saver. So this is not loading because I did not input any API. So there is no API here. And all this API, you don't need to be inputting the service one after the other. It once you just click on the sync button, is going to sync all those services automatically. So you don't need to be inputting, going to the API to be knowing the product ID and all that. All you just need to do just to click on sync button is going to be syncing, getting all that services on that particular API that you want to use. So mind you that you can use any currency for this. So you can just change this naira to your currency, any currency that you want to use. Now this is the first saver one, and we switch to saver two. So this is saver two. So this saver two. Okay, saver two have this because this is already stored on the database. So saver one sync it from the API provider direct, not store it does not store it on the database. Saver to store on the database, Saver 3 store on the database. So if I try to purchase a number now, you are going to see that it will not go because the API is not connected. So the API is not connected. So this is a battery. So this is a battery. So now we also have this fund wallet. So this is a fund wallet where you can user can fund their wallets. They can fund their wallets through Pay or crypto, then bank transfer. So now this bank transfer, once user um registered or once user want to fund their account, they just need to copy this account number. Once they copy this account number, they will go to their bank, pay. Once they are done paying, then they'll just need to upload the proof of payments, then input the transaction ID, click on I have transfer. So once they click on it, you as an admin, you are going to be getting a notification on your email. Then you just need to go approve the transaction. Once you approve the transaction, the user balance is going to be topping up automatically. So you don't need any work for that. So and these websites have emails. Once user register, you receive an email and so on and so forth. So now it also have a referral program where user can come and earn. Like if user want to start referring their friends or family, they can just come here, get their referral link, and they are good to go. So you can set the percentage on the admin. You can set the percentage on the admin. So I'm also going to be logging into the admin to show you how the admin look like. So you can set the percentage on the admin, the minimum withdrawal, and so on and so forth. So once users balance have reached the minimum withdrawal, they can just click on this um this transfer earnings and it's going to be transferred to their dashboard. So it's going to be transferred to their dashboard. Then you can see the number history, the cancel history. This is where all numbers that has been bought successful, which is number that you have used to receive a code. This is where it's going to display. So you have this cancel and refund page. Any number that is cancelled and refund. So yeah, it is cancel and refund number. So if a user purchase a number and for a reason it does not receive an OTP, so the once the number is the countdown is over, the user will be refunded automatically. But the user can also use the cancel button and cancel the number, and the user money will be refunded instantly without you doing any other thing. So and we have the transaction that shows all your transaction history. That shows every like when I say all transaction, both purchase, number purchase, everything. So it shows all your transaction history. Then now we are now have the API section. So now we have the API section. This is where you can come and get your API in case you want to use our API. So you can just come to this side, get your API, then you can just click on generate. You see, and just generate your new API key, copy your API key, then you are good to go. So I'm just going to be logging into the admin to show you how the admin interface look like. And again, you can send a notification from the admin. So let's go to the admin, then let me explain all the features. So let me just log out. All right, so this is the admin section. So this is how the admin look like. So this is the dashboard. So this is where you can track everything. You can see to your total user, total revenue, total OTP sold, and your total user balance. So this helps you in case of funding your API. You can see the manual payments, pending manual payments, and total block users. If you scroll down, you're going to be seeing some quick action buttons here. You can export all your users, send emails, so you can send bulk emails to users, transaction history, and settings. So now this is, or you can come to your recent transaction and see all the recent transaction made by users, and you're going to be tracking your revenue on this chart. So now let's come to settings. You come to settings. In case you are buying this script, I have a full video on how you can set up everything. I have a full video tutorial on how you can set up every single thing on the script. So now you come to settings, then this is where you're just going to be changing your site name, your API key, your um Google chat key, which is your secret key, and your recap key. So you can change the public key here, and so you can just go to Google Recap and get your key, then set it. Then you can also change set your website URL. So you just set your website URL. Then here now is the percentage. Is the percentage of the referral commission. Set the percentage of the referral commission. Then you can change your logo here and your phone icon also. Then this is the minimum withdrawal, the referral minimum withdrawal. You can set it here. Then you can set your support URL and your channel URL here. So, and once you are done, just click on save and everything will be updated accordingly. So now this is the email section where you can send bulk emails to users. So once you come to this side, you send bulk emails to users. You can come here and set your SMTP or you can use your PHP mailer. Well, as long as your hosting can send email, you are good to go. So you can just preview. You can preview the message how it's going to look like. You can just preview it how it's going to look like. Then you can just come input your mailer and whatsoever. Then you click on go. So again, you can send bulk message. This is the option where you can send bulk message. You come to marketing. You click on send emails. You can also send notification to that icon. So once you send the notification, it's going to be displaying on that icon a bell. This will just be ringing for users to know that there is a new notification and it will be counting. So this is where you can send emails. Like I say, this is all integrated to the platform. So now this is now your API providers. So this now where you can just come, you can just see your API and so on and so forth. Just come to API, then click on API. Then you are going to be seeing all your API providers, your total balance, and everything. Like I said, if you are getting this script, I'm going to be giving you a full from A to Z tutorial on how you can you know set up this script. So for you to be able to set it up, let me just come to this admin. So we need to upload our script. So this is where I uploaded my script. So you just need to upload the script. Once you upload the script, you come to this recharge. So you come to included folder. You come to included folder. Once you come to included folder, you are going to be see config dot php. You edit it, put in your database, and um also export the database. You can import it on your PHP My Admin. So once you done that, your website is going to be working perfectly. But I'm not going to be doing that here because this video is a separate video for those that actually um bought or have this script. So I'm just going to be giving them all the video tutorials how you can set this script up from A to Z. So that is from start to finish without you facing any issue. So this is all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. If you want to get this script, make sure that you click the link in the description, contact me or click the link in the description. You are going to be seeing the prices of each script and their features. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video.